Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me today on my channel, and I wanted to do a quick flip through. Somebody bought this, so I wanted to do a flip through before I package it up nicely and get it out to my customer. This is a little journal that I made using Elizabeth Craft Designs Planner Essentials line, and I did a haul for that a few videos back, and I wanted to flip through that and see if you could get some inspiration for that. I belong to the Facebook group for them, so it's fun group to see all the different variety, just amazing variety that you can have with these dies. And you can use it alone like this, or you can slip this into an A5 planner because the holes are there for A5 planner. So the cover here, this is Prima paper, and this is a bird I had from a Tim Holtz. I don't even know from when. I keep a big bin of that, but I have some muslin there. Actually, that's more of a broadcloth, but I have some sort of parchment underneath that. Sorry about that glare. And I cut out a flower from the parchment and some of the scrap bits of for the leaves there, and then put some Nuvo dots here and there. Tied it with some burlap twine. You could use rings, whatever. So it has the tabs in various places. And the first page, I have some of my own paper here. Back to that Prima paper with my own paper. I used a pocket. This is an old Spellbinders die. I used some Tim Holtz washi. And I made a little pocket here out of some Prima paper. These dies here are from, well, this washi is from Tonic Studios Craft Kit, and then these dies are cutouts from Everyday Journaling from Helen Colebrook. So those are fun. I've been enjoying those. So a little double-sided thing going on there. I made one of my quick little pocket tutorials that I have on my channel. That's pretty popular and easy. Make those all the time. Then this is also an Everyday Journaling by Helen Colebrook die. It cuts out this, fits into an A5, and it has that neat little like rough edge already in there. So I use some of my own paper here that is available in my shop, digital paper, and it is vintage teal. I'm trying to think, I have a lot of things in my shop. Vintage teal, and then I backed that on some other paper. And then I just tucked some vellum. This is my paper and my designs, and I printed that on some vellum and cut that out as a tag. And then I have another tag in here, my fingers are so cold, of some of my own paper as well. So I have a couple tags that they can use. And then you flip that. There's my paper again. I love that paper. It's one of my favorites. This is some Prima paper. And I used some Tim Holtz washi, a couple washies. Then we have another paper on this side. This is a Prima paper, more washi. Prima paper. I used a Tim Holtz die, you know, the one with the slats here. Put a little key on there. I put some die cuts and tag in there. They could certainly add and journal and do all sorts of things. Nice, lots of room for that. More paper. I put some of the bits and scraps. This is some fabric that I have, like a linen fabric. That's really pretty. It's got some beautiful flowers on there. And then I just stapled some of the scraps. You might as well use them. They make really interesting spots. You could even tuck things behind there. This is one of the dies from the Elizabeth Craft Designs Planner Essential line. It looks like a big ticket, and that's super fun. I did some stamping on the back here. And this is Prima paper here. So you could put pictures on here, you could journal on there, lots of interesting stuff there. Then this tag shape here, if you can see that, so it's almost, it's the same height as all the rest of these, but it makes for an interesting page there. And this is made out of Prima paper and Prima paper. And it's this fun shape that cuts out that tag and that side element there. It's all in one die. I put some field notes here, and I just left this corner unglued so that we could use it for some fun little goodies to tuck in there. My cold fingers. Michigan, Michigan. The next page I used older Sizzix die. It makes this cute little pocket with this little file shaped, I don't know if you can see that, little file shaped guy there that you can do some journaling on, and it makes this cute little packet, and I inked that and stamped on that. It was from the scraps from the earlier page. Another Prima paper here, and then I took some of those clocks and put that on there. This is from a Tim Holtz piece of paper that I just tore. So lots of journaling space in there, and then this is my paper here. The coffee stained, tea and coffee stained paper, and then I scan it in and make my own digital paper from that. So it's fun to see the little boops of coffee and things, the little imperfections. So fun little quick journal, and I really enjoy that. I like the textures of it, and just wanted to give you some inspiration. This one is sold, but you can check out my shop at CLM Emporium at Etsy, and you can see what's available at the time. I am a week on vacation, so I can't create while I'm gone, at least journals, but I could do painting and drawing, but as I go I usually bring some art supplies with me. But anyway, you can go check out and see what's there. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.